Hey, it's Jen Sparks. Sadly for me, I think this is going to be my last video of my June 2021 trip to Las Vegas. I really enjoy making these videos so much because it extends the life of my trip. And there's my cousin Pinky. She's so great. If you're new to my channel, I do resort reviews and tours, and I had a blast in Las Vegas. We're leaving Paris. We spent a night and a half there. We had it for 2 nights, but we left early to go to Mandalay Bay, and that's where we're going now. So enjoy the ride as we go to Mandalay Bay. If you enjoy resort tours and casinos and you find this useful, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. That will help my channel out a lot. That would rock. Once we get to Mandalay Bay, I'm going to be taking you guys on a walk around, and then we're going to go have dinner at the Border Grill that overlooks the Mandalay Bay beach. It's an amazing, amazing place. And then we're going to go play some slots, and I'm going to show you some of the bonuses. So stick around. Currently in a cab right now, a taxi. We tried Uber and Lyft a couple times, but the wait times were really long. I think there's a shortage. It's June 2021. I think there's a shortage of drivers at the moment, but the taxis were always ready right at the door, so we just jumped in there. It was like $12 to drive over here. If you're thinking of going to Vegas, do it. It's amazing. I mean, it was a little crowded because people are starting to come out. Masks are starting to come off. It was an interesting time to be here. Temperatures in June are pretty hot. It's, dry heat, but it's still hot. We spent most of our days by the pools, which I have videos of. If you want to go look back at my other videos, I'm going to link my playlist at the end of the video of all my videos that I've made of my trips so far. Very, very cool. This is at south end of the strip where you're going to find Luxor, New York, Excalibur, Mandalay Bay, and Delano, where we actually stayed in Delano. Have you personally stayed at Paris or Mandalay Bay or Delano? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and hear what you thought of them. Those of you guys that are familiar with Mandalay Bay, like when you're walking down and all the restaurants are around, they have some major construction going on there. We had to actually turn around to go around. We were trying to get to Citizens to go get a light lunch, but it was like all this was boarded up. I don't know what they're doing there or how long that's going to be. This is June 2021 that this is going on. So we turned around, and now we're just going around to see what's up with Citizen, to see if there's a wait, which there was. So I got a little sneak peek in there, and then we're going to go over to Border Grill. Porter Grill is located over by the convention area. It overlooks the Mandalay Bay pool and beach area. It is amazing.
Perfect.
They give you complimentary chips with 3 different dipping sauces, which were all like awesome. Really good stuff. Like you can see the view. It's all open. It's like covered, but all open. This masterpiece right here is the queso. And then we got the guacamole. We couldn't decide, so we got both. Hey, when in Vegas, right? They were both awesome. I highly recommend this place. And look at this view. I mean, it's just absolutely just amazing. Like I said earlier, I have full videos of this beautiful beach place, including cabana tours. We rented 2 different cabanas down here, so look out for that on my playlist at the end if you're interested in seeing more of that pool. I ordered street corn. Wow. I never saw it like this. Usually it's on the cob.
What you got there? Hold up your plate, maybe. The Impero. What is it? The Impero shrimp tacos.
And now we're going to go to the casino. So I hope you're enjoying this. Like I said before, if you're liking this, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of casino tours, and I'm actually in Orlando right now. I'm going to be going to Universal Studios and the Hard Rock Hotel. I really love the machines with the bonuses, but I never hit a lot because I don't ever play a lot. I always play the minimum bet, you know, just to keep me going. I never lose a lot of money, but I never win anything. So like, you can see a big bonus and be like, wow, she must have won a lot of money, and it's like, you know, $8 or something like that. I was there like, I think 4 or 5 days, and I think I lost like $300-400. So I mean, it's, you know, it's pretty safe for me to be able to play as much as I want. Not lose everything, so I could come back again really soon. See, $6. You promised me I could win something big. That didn't happen, but that's okay. I'm having fun. And that's kind of how I feel about gambling. It's like, if you're having fun, awesome. You know, if you're like angry or losing $20, it's not for you. You know, just get out of there. Go do something else. I actually left once like it got busy at night because the smoke really bothers me in all the casinos.
Are you thirsty?
This Emerald City game is really fun. Dorothy's the one you really want to get because then you get even more bonuses on top of the bonus. But we got the Scarecrow, and he did pretty good. I mean, pretty good for minimum bet anyway. Well, this has been super fun. I would love to thank my cousin Michelle, otherwise known as Pinky, for always talking me into crossing the country to go to Las Vegas. We're from Connecticut. It's like a 5-hour flight, and then, you know, but it's just awesome. Every time I go, I'm like, I can't believe I almost didn't go. Okay, back to Vegas Airport, which is actually really a cool airport. It's very easy to maneuver. And it's very bright and sparkly, just like the rest of Las Vegas. You could even find slot machines on the way to your gate. It's pretty wild. Okay, I'm going to wrap things up here. Here are some videos I previously made if you want to check them out. I had so much fun in Vegas. It is so awesome, and I cannot wait to come back. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you're one of my old subscribers, thank you so much. I'm looking forward now to be in Orlando and jamming on some of these videos here too. Thank you so much. Safe travels to you, and good luck in the casinos.